So,
đi. Đi.
say hi.
Đi vô.
Okay.
Đeo khẩu trang vô, chú Mỹ cái đó.
Hi. So just have come to a market to spend some time, do my own work. खुद का काम करने आया हूँ. लेकिन the moment I entered this market, I forgot that I was not carrying my mask. So the first thing this lady sitting here does is, she says, "Where is your souvenir?" And I say, "What souvenir?" She said, "How can you enter this market without a souvenir?" So what she does, the first thing is she gives me this. And this is supposed to be a souvenir of these days today. And the lady who gives me is this one. No,
Souvenir đó.
not so much of fruits.
Đeo vô.
Huh?
Ôi.
Yeah, I wear it.
Rồi, beautiful nè.
So I am told to first wear this and then do the rest. That's the kind of discipline they are into. Huh? Do I do a good job?
Rồi, very good.
Good job?
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
So she says, now that I have worn this, I can talk to them. So today I was here to get few things done and also see if I can capture a little more. Okay, so I'll see you later.
Ăn gì không?
What is this?
Souvenir chim kẹp này.
What is this?
Rice.
Rice?
Rồi.
I'm supposed to be tasting this. Sweet.
Đi, mua quá vậy?
And what is this?
Ờ.
So this is one of the favorite time pass which
Kim Dương.
the whole of Vietnam loves to do.
Rồi.
This is sunflower seeds.
Coconut. Bình Dương bị
Sunflower.
coconut.
So यहाँ पर ये रिवाज है कि all these ladies who are sitting there, all of them,
Vô chợ là chợ cho
they all sit together. बहुत सारी बातें होंगी, बैठ के बतियाएंगी और इसको खाएंगी. This is salted. Oh, this is
Cái này coconut.
coconut flavor.
Nice.
Yeah. So इसके भी बहुत प्रकार हैं यहाँ. But this is one of the most popular things with
Mua không nhỏ không?
every Vietnamese love to do.
Ăn không?
I see that these are all
Ăn gì nữa không?
homemade starters. This is something that they love to do called rice papad. This is rice again. Rice.
Rồi nó không có lẻ.
No. All are handmade. दिखने में जितना अच्छा है शायद खाने में नहीं होगा. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं और अपने कुछ काम करते हैं. What is this? Kulfi. बड़ा ही कलरफुल होता है इनका मार्केट, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Thôi mình chia tay đi.
आदमियों की कोई जगह नहीं है, सारी औरतें काम करेंगी. Most of the market is all women's market. We have all ladies, very few men I think, who are into, I think it's more of become a trend. This is all full of jaggery based snacks. May not crafts. I don't know what to say, but the good part or whatever, everything will have a fish sauce. So to some it's yummy, but not to me. Some of the flavors I like, but not all of them. This looks nice. Banana flavor.
Trời đất, năm ông đi qua năm gặp mắm bà Kiên vui vậy trời. Đẹp. Gì thương kia. À. Chụp đưa đi luôn đi giùm cái. Để cầm tay ta. Đưa tay ra đang làm căn cước đó. Ra một cái hẹn đó.
Where, can you tell me where is the shop? I want to get my shoe repair. Where? Shop.
À, dán keo.
Where? Do you know? No?
Đấy, chị cho mà cái chỗ mà là dán keo bên phía kia.
Where is the shop where I can get my shoe repair?
You go to.
I go to.
You go to. Trên vai.
Oh, I go straight turn right? Okay, I go after.
Okay.
I finish my work and then I go there. The whole world is green out here.
I do not send it.
These are tofu, fresh tofu, fried egg. All sort of greens. This looks familiar, not this. I think I've entered the vegetable section. Oh, this place is warm. And this is their famous meat market. Capturing this will slightly could be an eyesore for a few viewers, so I'm not capturing it from close, but it's all supposed to be pork and beef. And you just don't get lamb, you get chicken, but again chicken with skin. But I'm looking at a fish section. Fish. Where is fish? Fish. 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 Fish.
Cá.
There. Okay. She says go straight. I want to. It's been a long time. I want to make some fish today. The problem is the knowledge of fish I got is only from Bengal, and I just don't know how to buy. What is this? One bone only. No. How? बात ही नहीं करेगी. Huh? No. That's too big. I want small. बड़ा मुश्किल है. It's easy to buy seafood because you can just pick on pieces, but fish slightly tough. Everything is big pieces. One bone, only one bone. कैसे पूछूं मैं इसको? No. Wait. Belly चाहिए, belly. I want belly. No, not money. I want belly. Fish belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how about this? How much? Is it good? Fresh? कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगी. Too small. Okay. Okay. Wow. डिफरेंट है सब कुछ। वेरी नाइस, गुड। ओके, मोमो। How much total? I think it's a lunch time. खाना खा रहे लोग। Good food, huh? Rice and meat. Lovely. Thank you. अब ये मेरे को पैसा निकाल के बताएंगी कितना हुआ है, क्योंकि ये बोलेंगी तो हमको पता नहीं चलेगा, तो हमें बोला जाएगा, दिखाया जाएगा एक्चुअली। तो शो मी ऑल द नोट्स व्हाट आई हैव टू गिव हर। कितना है? 100, 250 मुझे देना है इन्हें। 250,000 which means हमारा इंडियन हो गया, close to 600. So this is how it works in Vietnam. Whatever you spend, India is 3 times. ये सब क्या डाल दिया उसने? अच्छा, बर्फ डाल दिया, so that it remains fresh while she knows I'm going to spend some time here. So that's the understanding. This is missing when we do the shopping in India. Okay, I give you 500,000. ये जा रहा है 500,000. Okay, मतलब from the zeros it's 5 lakh. Okay, thank you. Come on. सब लोग हंसेगा and very welcoming. Thank you. Can you put this in this? Thank you. चलो, ये एक काम था, कुछ काम थे आज। मिक्सर ख़राब हो गया तो वहाँ देना था, and then I had to do this. अब ढूंढना है, कुछ everything is not on Google. अब मोची कहाँ ढूंढा जाए? उसको गूगल पे तो ढूंढ नहीं सकते, तो उसको खोजना पड़ेगा अभी। मुझे देखते मास्क ऊपर। ओके, वो तंग कर रहा है। प्रमोशन चल रहा है। सुन नहीं सकते। सिर्फ तुमको, आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए खड़ा हूँ, बट अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट स्टैंड हियर। बेहद मनपसंद चीज़ है ये फॉर देम। The shrimps variety. I think there are many who like in India as well. complete C-section. Oh,
Nó
look
phim
at
bây
this.
giờ luôn kia. Có phim đâu nghe, không có mua nghe. Hello.
Very difficult.
Kêu là thuốc có thợ.
मुझे देख के सब लोग एक काम ज़रूर करते हैं. The moment they see a foreigner, because COVID यहाँ नहीं है, बाकी सब जगह है पूरी दुनिया में. So the first thing they do is they put their mask on. मतलब मैं नहीं, कोरोना ही आ गया. That's the whole approach. यहाँ नहीं, कहीं पर भी ऐसा ही है हर जगह. Also, we have come into a fruit section. This is the most favorite Mandarin fruit. 12 महीने आम मिलेगा. All 12 months. Some fruits I haven't seen before, like this one. I don't know what this is, but this is bigger than watermelon. This is, I think, again, I don't know. This I don't know. Never seen. Having worked in 5-star hotel, having seen so many exotic fruits, there are still some fruits which I haven't seen. Like, I don't know what this one is. Oh, I don't know. Yo! I don't know what this is.
Mango.
Mango, I know. Mango, I come from a mango country. But what is this? This is, I feel like talking Tamil. This is Enade. The first foreign language what I learned after Hindi and English. I mean, not foreign language, Hindi and English, as in the first Indian language, because I grew up in Maharashtra, so I always knew Marathi. I always knew Hindi. English came to us through caning and beating. Tamil was the only language which I learned out of my convenience. So every time I speak a language which I don't know, Tamil comes first. Ida enna ma?
Musua.
Mosua.
Musua.
What is Mosua? Looks like, I can't even say. Smell? Pata nahi, there's no smell. I don't know what this is. I never saw.
Họ thử chẳng còn
देखा नहीं है कभी. मेरी कंट्री में नहीं होता ये.
Wangalo hả?
बैंगलोर?
Wangalo.
बैंगलोर सुना है. Oh no, पैसा छोड़ो, बाद में आएगा. But
Mango này.
mango, no. Thank you ma, thank you.
Wangalo.
Huh?
Wangalo.
What?
Mango.
30?
Xoài. Mango.
Mango?
Mango. Xoài.
Soy.
Xoài.
Soy means what?
Xoài.
Mo, hai, ba. Ba moy?
30.
Ba moy?
30.
Ba moy, I'm trying.
Okay.
So I'm saying 30.
Okay.
Okay, ba moy.
30.
Okay.
Mấy kilo? 2 kilo.
Oh, 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
1 kilo आता है इनको, 1 kilo. ओके, पकड़ लिया उसने मेरे को. मिल गया मैं उसको एक बकरा. हो गया उसका. Okay. Finally you sold it to me, huh? Oh, gift भी दे रही है. You give me some gift? Okay. Okay. ये सबसे फेवरेट फ्रूट है यहाँ, ड्रैगन फ्रूट. सब लोग खाते हैं मज़े से, दबा के खाते हैं. ये इनका आम है. How much? How much? I give you how much? Okay. So ये हो गया 2 मैंगो 30,000 Vietnam dong.
30 Việt Nam đồng.
30 Vietnam dong.
30 Việt Nam đồng.
Dead. उन्होंने हमें 70,000 वापस कर दिया. हाय. Thank you. हाँ? क्या है वो? What is this? क्या है?
nhang nhang
न्यांग
nhang
न्यांग तो किसी बंदे का नाम है जो मेरे होटल में काम करता है यार.
quăng cái lô ấy
No, everything 1 kilo. अकेली जान है ये. Everything 1 kilo. You tell me now. Okay, I bought some mangoes from you. You tell me. ये चप्पल का ये मेरा ये कहाँ बनेगा? Where can I get this done? This problem.
nó
Where?
máy này
No stitching. Only sticking. You put a gum here. You put a gum here.
dán ha
You stick. Where? शायद मुझे गम का दुकान दिखाएगी, बट मैं खुद नहीं करना चाहता. मैं चाहता हूँ ये प्रॉपर्ली हो जाए क्योंकि परसों ट्रैवल करना है. नो देखा मेरे को आता था गम. नो
नहीं dán này
नो आई गो शॉप
có sao nữa
ओके. अभी इंटरेस्ट लेवल कम हो गया बिकॉज लोग आ गए हैं, तो वैसा है. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्यों बना रहा हूँ वीडियो, फिर देन आई फील लाइक यार दिखाना चाहिए. जब बहुत सारे लोग जो देख रहे हैं उनको पता होगा, बट ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो who are good friends and who know me, who would probably be interested in knowing and seeing it. No thank you. अच्छा लगता है जब you see this entire market dominated. In fact, this is how this country is. Women employment. Everybody is working. I'm sure the men are also working, but I think पूरा approach ही अलग है when it comes to women. These are all grown from Dalat. Flowers. These are all bulbs from Dalat. Flower from a Dalat. All flower from Dalat. I shoot you. एक और चीज़ नहीं मिलता है यहाँ. From wherever you go, entire fruit shop, you don't get jamun. ये सब लोग ऐसे देखेंगे मुझे. It is like I'm always on the stage, and there are people around me. Sometimes it's difficult to do what I'm doing. Hello.
mình cánh trai không
Huh?
ăn đi không
No. Thank you. She's offering me food. Thank you. Come on. Beautiful. Amazing. So sweet. So since I stay alone and nobody I can share my mind to sometimes, something which will be of interest to all my ladies.
sạn cái ven cái dây bạc á đeo vô
At whatever age group you are,
Hello kìa.
when you see these things, you will stop by, you will wait, you will pause, and you want to stop at possibly every. Hello. Huh?
Vô mua hay là vô quay phim? Mua.
For who?
Mua đi.
I don't have anyone. I buy for you. I buy and give you.
Đúng.
I buy and give you. You girlfriend? Oh. Okay, I know. I'm for sure. No. Thank you. I will buy later.
Vô.
As and when I want. Thank. No, not now. Thank you.
Tội chứ. Mày vợ đi mượn sao
Some
ra?
fun.
Đi. Ok.
Okay.
Tiền dưới.
I think I'm stopping the way.
Quay phim mấy cái tội chứ hỉ. Dở nẹp lên em gái em trả tội vậy sợ. Biết con chồng mình.
Where do I go? Where do I go to repair this? Where? Yes. Straight? Okay. This is damn cozy, man. Feels like just so joy. सब आराम कर रहे हैं. Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Làm đi đi mô. What do you
Oh,
want
first
to
thing,
buy?
mask.
Yo.
Oh, everybody mask. No, I don't want to buy anything. Mask. Where do I go?
Mày.
My.
Xíu chị chỗ mấy giây ghế.
Okay. देखो help कर रही है. हाँ बताओ भाई. Oh, mask पहले. Mask. No mask. Where? Okay. सारे मिलके हेल्प करेंगे. Where? Stick where?
Đi đâu? Vô.
What?
Có cây không mấy chị lên đây. Vô.
वो यहाँ कह रही है, ये यहाँ कह रही है. Oh, mask.
Hút đi.
Oh, finally. कौन है यहाँ? Who? Oh, you will do. A lady.
Đây là đâu chiếc nữa đây. Một chiếc nữa.
Oh, that's okay. Only one have a problem. The other one good.
Ủa nhưng mà phải là ai biết là nói mai là để cho không.
तो औरतें भी मोची हैं. Wow. सुंदर. Oh, no. Stick.
Không ăn. Đây mình đeo lên mà không ăn. Nga nè, dạ
नहीं होगा.
Đó là không ăn.
không.
không dính.
No.
Không dính.
नहीं होगा.
Mai.
Ra rồi cái này.
No.
Mai như đây nè.
हाँ. You stitch? Okay.
Ok. Vào mai.
Okay.
Mai.
Ba. Môi.
Cái này dạ này.
My. Your. You. My. You. Okay.
Vào sao? Mai.
Cầm góc bên đây nè.
Okay. सिलना चाहती हैं.
Xíu nữa có gì
चिपका नहीं सकती हैं. सिलना चाहती हैं. Okay. वो बैठने के लिए स्टूल है. ओके भाई बचाओ. अच्छा भाई साहब थे यहाँ पर.
đưa quá con trụ lan luôn cho con.
तो पहले मैं आया यार. फर्स्ट आई कम. पहले मैं आया ना. नहीं. अच्छा. Maybe ladies first. What? तो मैं दनांग में हूँ and just to reiterate, and this is one of the very big market with total solutions. चाहे आपको सब्जी लेना है, मीट लेना है, फल लेना है, clothes, daily wear, usual wear, occasionary wear, whatever. You want to buy things which you need in your kitchen, you want to buy some stuff to gift, every possible thing. So that's where we complete a little bit of markets, and let me move out after this work is done and come back. Just taking a stroll in this market also makes you feel that you're a part of a big family, because you get so much of love and affection and welcome from all these people. And you know, I want to say it in the right spirit, but ladies at all age group, mostly, I still feel I'm a kid, and the aunties and the daddies, and you love to take some smile from them, and they all are very good. I mean, the way they'll talk, they'll discuss, and they'll chat. And thank you. They will all say, nobody says chahiye kya. They'll all say 1 kilo or 2 kilo. What is this? This is, I think, some kind of a root. This looks something which I know, but I don't know what this is. No. See, Dadi again. So many Dadis. Oh. Mostly Dadis. I don't want to say old ladies. It's not right to say. So I love to say dadis, strong dadis. Many are much stronger than us at our age group. Okay, so more or less, I think I have done my work today, and we'll connect back again. I will try and post it as and when I get time on my channel, and do try to have a look, enjoy, and don't forget to, as they say, one should say, don't forget to share and like. See you again until we connect back. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh.